On Sunday, November 10th, a gala event in New Jersey raised $45,000 to support Shiv Gyan Motilal SGML Eye Hospital near Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, India. Organized by SGML Hospital USA Incorporated, a registered non-profit, the event aims to address rural eye care disparities by funding surgeries and consultations for underserved communities. Since its inauguration in January 2023, the hospital has conducted over 700 eye surgeries and 10,000 consultations, often at minimal or no cost. The evening featured performances, a speech by Dr. Tushar Patel highlighting critical eye care needs, and dynamic hosting by media personality Sanjeev Pandya. Take a look.
You know, it takes a courage, it takes a lot of hard work, but it takes a good heart. It takes a very, very special heart to start a mission like this. It's not easy. It's really not easy. And that's why I said that wherever, however we can support, we should support. We're very fortunate here in USA, in New Jersey, and South Carolina, and California. We have some individuals who are integral part of SGML Eye Hospital. So for that, I'd like to request our own very dear friend and very much, very aggressive community member by profession. He's a doctor and a great singer also. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me to welcome Dr. Tushar Patel one more time for a very important message. Tushar Patel.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, Sanjeev. November is a month or the time to be thankful of what we have to give back to our communities and those who are less fortunate. The act of kindness, no matter how small, is never wasted. Your contribution or donations is not about the money. It's about feeling the pain of losing vision, becoming blind, and caring enough about those in need of help to prevent blindness in rural India. Good evening and welcome to SGML Eye Hospital Gala evening here at Royal Albert's Palace in New Jersey. The rural Madhya Pradesh has significant eye care issues, including partial and complete blindness due to cataract and other eye disorders. In Ujjain district, more than 250,000 individuals are completely blind and close to 1 million has a partial blindness. The mission of Shiv Gyan Motilal Eye Hospital is to be a center of excellence when it comes to eye care services. Under the spiritual and divine leadership of Shastri Anand Jivandas of Ujjain Satsang Samaj, and with God Mahakal's grace, the state-of-the-art eye care hospital was inaugurated on January 30th, 2023 in Hasampura near Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. So Ujjain Satsang Samaj very well could have made another temple for worship, but instead they decided to open eye hospital to prevent blindness in underprivileged, underserved communities and individuals. Let me tell you some numbers why the eye hospital was built in rural Madhya Pradesh. There is a need of approximately 50 to 60,000 cataract surgeries per year in Ujjain district. The welfare and other trust hospitals can accommodate approximately 20,000 surgeries, while public hospital can accommodate another 10,000 surgeries, which leaves a gap of approximately 20 to 30,000 surgeries per year. Estimated waiting for this treatment is approximately 6 months or more. The waiting can lead to probable delay in eye diagnosis, which can lead to probable blindness. I and few others sitting here in this room from our USA team, South Carolina and New Jersey Associate Trust, went there for the inauguration and witnessed the well-equipped hospital for the underserved, underprivileged individuals in rural India. The hospital provides cataract, cornea, retina, and glaucoma treatments and services. I'm happy to announce that since the inception, more than 700 eye surgeries were completed and over 10,000 outpatient consultations services were provided at a very, very reasonable rate, and in some cases at a very nominal rate. At this time, I would like to invite our New Jersey Associate Trust members, starting with Dr. Sparshil Patel. Come on, please here. Smita Miki Patel. Unfortunately, she is traveling for a family event. Usha Patel. Jigna Patel. Dharmesh Patel. Arpita Patel. Chaya Patel. Jatin Patel. And also want to recognize our co-founders of this trust, Mr. Ramesh Patel of California, Dr. Supen Patel of South Carolina, and Kamlesh Bhatt in Ujjain, India. Also, all our South Carolina trust members, please join me right here for a photo op. Everybody, Preeti Patel, Gita Amin, Parul, everyone from South Carolina, whoever traveled from South Carolina, please join. So we have a silent force, positive force, Sadgun Amin and Gita Amin. They are the original founder of this USA Trust here. So my sincere request, we are not looking for millions of dollars. We are looking for thousands of dollars so we can collect and send it to India. We have FCRA account, State Bank of India, approved by the Government of India. It's official business. We are 501c3 in the USA. They are already registered in India FCRA. So the transaction from here to the bank in India is official. You get the donation receipt. You can get a donation receipt from India, and it's approved by the India central government. So your $50 contribution can get one surgery, 255 surgeries, $500 for the whole day surgery. So $500 if you give, that can take care of about 20 surgeries in the rural India. Also, you can donate more. Some of you are here who can afford giving back to the community. Like I said, November is the month of giving back, and there is nothing more precious than giving. So if you want to give more, $10,000 for 260 surgeries, $21,000 for 520 surgeries for the whole month. So you decide what you want to donate. We are not here to pressurize you, but you already saw what we have done and what we are continuing to plan in the next 4, 5, 10 years down the road. You can also contribute $50, $100, $200 on the birthdays, anniversaries, whatever the milestone events you have in your life, in your family members. Together, we can win this battle to prevent blindness in India and can do something for our motherland. If you are planning to go to India, a sincere request, winter months are coming. Many of you probably will plan to visit India. Please visit Ujjain. You will get the darshan of Mahakaleshwar temple. And if you are planning, make sure you visit the SGMLI hospital. It's a wonderfully well-equipped, state-of-the-art modern hospital for the normal people. There is a big disparity of getting the eye care. In fact, the care in India is very disparate. Poor people don't get the care, rich people get whatever they want. We want to reduce that in Madhya Pradesh, one state at a time, and with your support, we all can do it. Thank you so much for coming, becoming part of this wonderful journey, and I'm thankful to all my team members right here from bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी को हो न हो हमें तो एतबार, जीना इसी का नाम है। एतबार का जिंदा है हमी से नाम प्यार का, रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जिंदा है हमी से नाम प्यार का, कि मर के भी किसी को याद आएंगे, किसी के आंसुओं में मुस्कुराएंगे, कहेगा फूल हर कली से बार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। जीना इसी का नाम है, जीना इसी का नाम है। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू।
Wonderful, very nice, Tushar bhai, very nice. Thank you so very much.
सागर में मोती, प्यार छुपा है खत में इतना, जितने सागर में मोती, चूम ही लेता हाथ तुम्हारा, पास जो तुम
से जी भरता ही नहीं अब, नैन मिले तो चैन मिले। खत से जी भरता ही नहीं अब, नैन मिले तो चैन मिले।
चांद हमारी अंगना उतरे, कोई तो ऐसा रेन मिले, कोई तो ऐसा रेन मिले।
मिलना हो तो कैसे मिले हम, मिलने की सूरत लिख दो, मिलने की सूरत लिख दो।
बिछाए बैठे हम, कब आओगे खत लिख दो। फूल तुम्हें भेजा है खत में, फूल नहीं मेरा दिल है। प्रियतम मेरे तुम ही लिखना, क्या ये तुम्हारे काबिल है।
प्यार छुपा है खत में इतना, जितने सागर में मोती। चूम ही लेता हाथ तुम्हारा, पास जो तुम मेरे होती। फूल तुम्हें भेजा है खत में। थैंक यू। पुकारता चला हूँ मैं गली गली बाहर की, बस एक छाँव जुल्फ की, बस एक निगाह प्यार की। पुकारता चला हूँ मैं गली गली बाहर की, बस एक छाँव जुल्फ की, बस एक निगाह प्यार की। पुकारता चला हूँ मैं। ये दिल लगी ये शौकिया सलाम की, यही तो बात हो रही है काम की। कोई तो मुड़ के देख लेगा इस तरह, कोई नजर तो होगी मेरे नाम की। पुकारता चला हूँ मैं गली गली बाहर की, बस एक छाँव जुल्फ की, बस एक निगाह प्यार की। पुकारता चला हूँ मैं। सुनी मेरी सदा तो किसी यकीन से, घटा उतर के आ गई जमीन पे। लगन तो ऐ दिले जवान, असर भी हो रहेगा एक हसीन पे। पुकारता चला हूँ मैं गली गली बाहर की, बस एक छाँव जुल्फ की, बस एक निगाह प्यार की। पुकारता चला हूँ मैं, पुकारता चला हूँ मैं, पुकारता चला हूँ मैं। Thank you so much. अपने सूरज से देखो धरती चली मिलने, तारों में सज के अपने सूरज से देखो धरती चली मिलने। झनकी पायल मच गई हलचल, अंबर सारा लगा हिलने। तारों में सज के अपने सूरज से देखो धरती चली मिलने। जैसे धनक खिलने, तारों में सज के अपने सूरज से देखो धरती चली मिलने। देखो धरती चली मिलने। Thank you so much. तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम। तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम। अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम, तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम।
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम। अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम, तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम।
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम।
आँखें मेरी सपने तेरे, दिल मेरा यादें तेरी।
ओ मेरा है क्या सब कुछ तेरा, जान तेरी सांसें तेरी।
मेरी आँखों में आंसू तेरे आ गए, मुस्कुराने लगे सारे गम।
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम।
अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम, तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम।
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम। Thank you so much.
Thank you.